Welcome to my channel everyone, I'm Key. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet these chair socks. It's a great idea to stop the scratching, reduce the noise, protect the floor, and it also super cute and fun. The materials I'm using in these videos are 2.5mm hook and 3 colors A-ply yarn, which are light and dark brown colors and pink. And don't forget your crochet needle. Pick the pink color and let's start from the magic circle. This magic circle, you can also use chain 4 instead. Make chain 4 first and snip stitch to the first chain. You can also choose to repeat this step until you know how to make it. This is how you make the magic circle. Make 6 single crochets in the magic circle. That's 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 3 single crochets, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6 single crochets in total from the first round. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1 after that. Don't cut off the yarn as we are going to use the pink color for the next round. For the second round, we crochet 2 single crochets in each stitch. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in the same stitch. 2 single crochets in the next stitch. 1, hide the yarn. And we are going to crochet second single crochet in the second stitch. Insert the hook to the next stitch, crochet 2 single crochets in a stitch. Please use this pattern, crochet 2 single crochets in each stitch to finish the round. Here I just crochet 12 single crochets in 6 stitches. Insert the hook to the first stitch to join the round, snip stitch to join the round, and chain 1. Round 3. In the first stitch we make 1 single crochet, and next stitch we make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochets in the following stitch. As you can see here, I just made 1 single crochet from the first stitch, 2 single crochets from the second stitch. That's the pattern for round 3. And after that, just repeat that pattern. Make 1 single crochet. Next stitch, make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Please repeat this pattern and finish the round. So you will have 18 single crochets for this round. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1. Now I'm going to cut off the yarn as we are going to use light brown color for the next round. Let's change to light brown for round 4. Insert the hook to any stitch. I crochet from the stitch net before the join stitch. Pull the yarn through, chain 1, make 1 single crochet in the same stitch, and 2 single crochets for the next stitch. 2, 1 single crochet for the next stitch. I hide the ends while I'm crocheting. You can choose to do the same, or you can just leave a side and weaving at the end. So I crochet 1 single crochet and 2 single crochets from the next stitch and 1 single crochet from the following stitch. 3 stitches as a set. So now we are going to repeat the pattern. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets from the next stitch, 1 single crochet for the next stitch. That's 2 sets. 1 single crochet to the next stitch, 2 single crochets in the following stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Please repeat this pattern and finish the round. You will have 24 single crochets for this round. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1. Round 5. Make 3 single crochets for the first 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. 3 single crochets for the 3 stitches. And 2 single crochets for the 4th stitch. That's the pattern for this round is 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and 2 single crochets for the 4th stitch. Now let's repeat the pattern. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet to the next stitch, another single crochet to the next stitch, and for the following stitch make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Please repeat this pattern and finish the round. Make sure you have 30 single crochets in total. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round and chain 1. Round 6. Crochet only on back loops for this round. Make 1 single crochet for the first stitch, only pick up the back loop, and second stitch make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in third stitch, 1 single crochet in the 4th stitch. So we just made 4 single crochets in the first 4 stitches. Make 2 single crochets for the next stitch. 1, 2 single crochets in the same stitch. And make 2 single crochets for the following 2 stitches. One single crochet in the next stitch. Yarn over hook. Make 2 double crochets in the following stitch. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. So that 2 double crochet is in the same stitch. Insert the hook to the next stitch and make another 2 double crochets in the same stitch. 2 double crochets for the next stitch as well. So far we made 6 double crochets in 3 stitches. So after that 1 single crochet, make 6 double crochets in 3 stitches, 2 double crochets in each stitch, and repeat that another 3 times. 1 single crochet to the next stitch and 2 double crochets in the stitch after that, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, and 2 double crochets for the next stitch. And then we are going to repeat that again. 1 single crochet and 6 double crochets for the following 3 stitches, 2 double crochets in each stitch. Second stitch, 2 double crochets, another 2 double crochets for the next stitch. So 1 single crochet to the next stitch, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 2 double crochets in the stitch after that, another 2 double crochets in the next stitch. And we are going to crochet 1 single crochet in the next stitch, another single crochet in the stitch follow that, And for the last stitch, crochet 2 single crochets in the same stitch. And we are going to crochet 4 single crochets for the last 4 stitches. 3, 4, snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1. This is part 1 of this tutorial. The part 2 of this tutorial will be posted later today. Please make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't, so you don't miss out on the part 2 of the tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you next time.